How you doing, YouTube? This is Roger Grimes again, and you're watching the Grimes Factor. You're probably wondering what's going on here. Let me show you. I was shopping and I seen this little car. Alright, a lot of times I'll go looking for a car, the Hot Wheels, for my grandson. Well, I seen this one that says, I love demolition. I was like, me too! I love demolition too. So, I didn't buy this one for my grandson. This one's for me. We're going to play a little demolition derby, the Grimes Factor style here. So, here we go. Brand new. I love demolition. Cracking this baby open. Some of you Hot Wheel lovers are probably going to be cringing after this one. Okay, here we go. Demolition derby. Smash into the wall. Alright, not too bad. I think that took it pretty good. Or did it? Not too bad. Does it still roll? Yeah, not bad. Smack into the wall again? That doesn't work. Okay, so let's try something else. Tennis ball. What? Tennis ball didn't do it. Still works pretty good. Okay, what else can we demolition derby this with? Pink weight. Didn't work. Didn't work. How about this? Still together. That's pretty tough, isn't it? Alright. Still working. Okay, still there though. Coconut. Where'd that car go? It's still together. Not too shabby. That went way out of here. Okay. Still got it. Still together. I love demolition. That didn't work. A scribble stick. Martial art weapon. Pretty good. Hit it. Oh, still there. I think I got a little dent. Okay, next. Nunchucks. Nunchakus. And I missed. Nunchaku. And it dented the top. That's about it. And the wheels. It still rolls. Amazing. Alright, here we are. Commas. Demolition's derby here. Ready? I'm going to hit the engine. See what happens. Still there? I think I dented it. Yeah, a little bit. See what I got in there? A little dent in the hood. Little mark on there. Still rolls. Right on the top. Little ding. This is a tough little guy, isn't he? What are we gonna do with this? We got fuzz. Okay. Staple gun. It didn't do a thing, did it? Alright. Demolition derby style. Hammer time! Oh, poor little guy. Doesn't want to roll right, huh? Let's see if we can fix that. It's back to rolling. Alright, demolition derby. I love demolition. What a tough little car. Oh, you just took a door hit. And you're back rolling. What's going on with this little guy? Huh. I got it to where the door opens and that shouldn't be opening. Almost there. One more hit. Hammer time! There it is. Hammer time. Split that baby. I'm going to take it here. Hammer time! Here goes the wheel. Crack the bottom. I knew that was going to happen. There's our demolition derby. Oh my goodness. Coconut couldn't do it. Oh yeah, but here it is. Say bye-bye. I'm going to save this as a souvenir. But if you guys haven't subscribed yet to the Grimes Factor, I don't know what you're waiting for. But there it is, Demolition Derby.